Incident Earth inbound. Shark Flyer 432, Alpha Centauri reaching speeds of Mach 9.2. Thermal shielding deployed.
Planet Earth is in crisis. The world has been invaded by extraterrestrial Ikea Sharks. Spaceships are firing all major cities. Vital infrastructure is being raided.
So far, the United Nations has not offered any explanation for the influx of spaceships entering the atmosphere, nor any defence attempts have been successful. The White House has declared a global emergency, and the Royal Navy has placed all IKEAs under siege.
Return to the evening news. Humankind is being extinguished and we're loving it. The pathetic mortals will crumble under the iron fist of shark kind as we terraform their pathetic Earth into an image of our own. And we have successfully intercepted human transmitting. Behold the new age of television, a new improved roster for shark kind's viewing.
We got some off.
We have control of the Ikeas, the sick places used to imprison our kind. The native Blahaj have been liberated.
Life could be a dream, life could be a dream. Do, 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 shaboom. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream.